Hi, Avon Independent Sales Representative Cindy Artrip. I wanted to show you guys today what it looks like when you place an order through my e-store. So I went on my own e-store and placed an order as if I was a customer. And I did it on a Sunday evening and I received it by Wednesday afternoon. So that's just 3 days. They estimate any time of shipping is 5 to 7 days, which I think is awesome. So I got this really quick. I placed it, like I said, Sunday, and I had it on Wednesday afternoon. Any order over $40, you're going to get free shipping. Any order over $50, we're having a special promotion right now where you can get a free gift. So the week that I placed this order, I got the new Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. And this week we have the Skin So Soft Bug Guard Lotion, Disappearing Lotion as the free gift. So any order over $40 gets free shipping. If you are a first-time customer with me, you can use the code WELCOME10 to get 10% off your first order. And it can be any size. So I'm going to open this box up and show you exactly what's inside of it in a minute. But I also wanted to tell you that I got tracking through text message. And as soon as I placed the order, I did get an email with the customer care center's contact information plus the representative's information. So that was my information because I'm a rep. And I thought it was great because I had all kinds of information that if I had questions, I can reach out to the care center, I can reach out to the representative, and I also had the tracking through email and text message, which I thought was phenomenal because I knew exactly where my package was at every moment. Okay, so I'm going to open up the box and I'm going to show you exactly how it came, how they packaged it, and all of that. So I've never done a personal, as to say, online order through my own website. I wanted to show you guys because I know Avon has made some changes and I know the delivery is much quicker, so 3 days is, I think, awesome. I mean, think about Amazon Prime. You get your packages in like 2 days. I got my package from Avon in 3. So I think that's outstanding. So this is how the box looks. And there is a receipt on top. So this has your Avon order number on it. It has all the products that you would order on it. And it has the representative's information, which is me. And then Avon's customer care center number is also on the bottom. And there's information if you need to return something. So all the information you need is on this piece of paper. And also you got it in an email when you first placed the order. So this is great. Everything is wrapped in bubble pack, which I think is awesome. So your products are going to make it to you with no damages, and they're going to be safe and secure in the bubble pack. This is awesome. So I ordered Haiku because I love Haiku fragrance. I also ordered one of the holiday Haiku. It was a Christmas tree. So I wanted to have one on hand in case if a customer wanted one this year for the holidays. And also I got Haiku shower gel. And I got the body lotion because I like Haiku. And here is my free gift. This is the Avon Ultimate Gold Peel Off Mask. And then Avon also has an option that you can get a complimentary brochure. So I selected that also. So that is in the box too. So this came with my order, which I think is awesome. So you get a brochure too. Now, if you want to be added to my mailing list, I have a list of customers that goes out every 2 weeks. They get a new brochure. So if you'd like to be added to it, you can be. You just contact me and let me know. I'll be more than happy to add you to the list. So just remember, any order over $40 gets free shipping. If you place an order of $50 or more, you're going to be able to get a free gift. And if you use the code WELCOME10, you'll get 10% off your first order as long as you haven't shopped with me before or any other Avon represented. So if you guys have any questions and if you want to shop with me, the link will be below. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every time I put a new YouTube video up. Thank you so much. We'll see you soon.